Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure the Teep is on firmware V2. 1 or newer and its battery is at least 50% charged. Next, open the companion app and pair the device using Bluetooth or a USB-C cable. This establishes a secure link for configuration. Once paired, enable expert mode and set safety limits for power and operating time so you avoid accidental overdrive. This gets you into a ready state and prevents common initial failures. Once ready, run the guided sensor calibration inside the app. This aligns internal feedback and reduces drift during use. After calibration, load an existing profile or create one. Give it a clear name, set output levels, timing, and any sequence steps because consistent profiles save time. Then test a single cycle output at low power to verify behavior and responses. If the test passes, ramp up incrementally. These middle steps ensure accurate execution and guard against finish by running the full task while monitoring telemetry and enabling detailed logging. This records performance and flags anomalies in real time. After a successful run, save the final profile and export the logs for later review or compliance checks. If something goes wrong, follow one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot the Teep, recalibrate sensors, and run a single-cycle low-power test before retrying a full run. This sequence isolates faults quickly and prevents repeating the same error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.